If you want to achieve this beautiful hairstyle with Ashimary Hair's curly hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, bad girl that. She just dance and tease. You go like the Highland Queen. We know where you want and need.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I showed you guys, I'm doing a review on Ashimary Hair and they gave me some goodies, so I'm just showing you guys that before I show you guys the actual hair. So this right here is the hair in my hands. I'm just going to take it out of the package so you guys can see. And as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you guys inside. It's nicely packaged so that it's not all scrunched up in the packaging. And I'm showing you guys that it is pre-bleached and the knots are already plucked. And look at inside, it's amazing. You can wear it glueless if you want to. There's an adjustable strap and there are 3 combs in there also. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see how it looks like right off the bat. And this is the hair right here, you guys. It's not HD lace, but it's transparent lace, and we can definitely work with that. And I'm showing you guys the length. Alright, so now I'm just going to customize the hair. So I'm just cutting off the lace. You guys might want to take it off of your head before doing this, but I'm just doing this on my head because I do this sometimes. But yeah, so now I'm gonna make sure that the lace blends in with my actual scalp. We don't want it to look like, oh gosh, there's the lace from far away, right? So I take my bronzer and I take a flat brush and then I just put it all over. And do you see how it looks? It looks so much better. It's already blending. So what I'm gonna do now is, the lace is way too big for my head, so I'm going to just cut the ends so it could fit around my ears. And I really like this hair, so I'm not doing it glueless. I'm actually gonna glue it down so I can wear it on the weekend. And I take my bold hold glue and I think I put about 3 layers of it, and I just let it dry after this. And then I put another layer and another layer. You always want to let it dry first. So as you can see, it's not completely dry, but that's okay. After I put all those layers, I'm just laying the wig on top and just, laying it down. I'm not going to show the whole process, but yeah. And after I lay it down, I'm just taking the comb that they provided me with and I'm just kind of going through it and just making sure that the hair is out of the way. Alright, so I left the band on for about like 20 minutes or so, and then I take it off, and now I have to go over it again with that same bronzer. And you just go over it as many times as you want until you get the desired look. For me, I'm not gonna go over it too much because I'm gonna do baby hair anyways, because I'm really like feeling baby hair. I know some of you guys are thinking baby hair is not in right now, but I love baby hair still, so do whatever works for you. Alright, so I am just doing the baby hairs right now, and as you see, wherever that wasn't glued properly, I just kind of like adjusted it. And yeah, I'm just taking out some baby hairs and I'm gonna lay them down and then put the band on back.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that.
So while I'm laying down the baby hairs and everything, I'm gonna do like a half up, half down type of look. And I'm going to take my hot comb and kind of, you know, make sure that it's nice and flat down. And yeah.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
Alright, so I take off the band, and this is one of the final looks. I'm really loving how nice and full that it looks. It's giving lioness, like I really like it. So I'm just gonna go through with the bronzer again, just on the spots that are kind of white. But I do this hairstyle, but I also want you guys to see how the hair looks like when it's wet. So I also wet the hair, and I did a middle part so you guys can see how it looks like that way. And I absolutely love this hair. There's minimal shedding, and the curls are absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Ashimary Hair, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.